Are you tired of struggling to find the perfect spot for your TV? Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, PARLESMITH Ceiling Mount. First up is the PARLESMITH Ceiling TV Mount, priced at $37.80. What really caught my attention was its ability to hold TVs from 26 to 65 inches and up to 110 pounds. If you want a reliable mount that offers great versatility, this is worth a serious look. This mount features a height adjustment option that lets you extend your TV from 20.47 to 29.92 inches from the ceiling, ensuring you get that perfect viewing angle without straining your neck. It also tilts plus 10 degrees/10 degrees, which helps to reduce glare while watching your favorite shows. With over 2,000 units sold this past month, it's clear that people appreciate having a sturdy mount that works in various settings, from homes to restaurants. Now, some users mention that the installation instructions could be clearer, which I totally understand can be frustrating. Here's the thing though, once you get it set up right, it's a solid mount that stays in place and looks great. This is perfect for you if you want a dependable and adjustable mount for home or commercial use. Skip this one if you're looking for something that's easier to install without any fuss. For the price, it's a great value. Now, if the installation complexity bothered you, the next one on my list might actually be even better for ease of use. Product number 2, Wally Ceiling TV Mount. Next is the Wally Ceiling TV Mount, priced at $34.30. This one immediately grabbed my attention because of its universal compatibility, fitting most TVs up to 65 inches and also supporting up to 110 pounds. If you're looking for a straightforward, sturdy option, this one is worth considering. It offers height adjustments ranging from 18.5 inches to 35.8 inches, which is perfect whether you're mounting in a living room, patio, or even a gym. Plus, it's made of heavy-duty steel that ensures you can trust it to hold securely. However, some customers reported that it can be a bit tricky to adjust the height once installed. Now I get that this could be a deal breaker for some, but once you find the right height, it stays put and keeps your TV safe. This is perfect for you if you want flexibility in mounting height and viewing angles. Skip this one if you need a super easy installation process. For the quality and price, it definitely delivers. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a little extra flexibility in their setup. Product number 3, Axe WABER Ceiling TV Mount. Third on the list is the Axe WABER Ceiling TV Mount, available for $36.11. I found its height adjustment feature really compelling, allowing for a range of 20.47 to 29.92 inches. If you want something that offers strong support with full motion flexibility, take a serious look at this one. This mount supports TVs up to 110 pounds and boasts a 360-degree rotation, along with a tilt function of 25 degrees down and 5 degrees up. This means you can easily position your TV for optimal viewing regardless of where you're sitting. Plus, its sturdy construction ensures it can handle the weight without breaking a sweat, making it suitable for various settings like homes and businesses. Here's the thing though, if you're using it in a space where you need to minimize glare, the adjustments you do have are more than adequate. This is perfect for you if you want a highly adjustable mount that can fit multiple environments. Skip this one if you have a very large TV and need maximum tilt. Given its features and price, it's definitely a smart buy. Now, if you're looking for something even more simple to install, the next product might just tick that box. Product number 4, USX Star Ceiling Mount. Fourth, we have the USX Star Ceiling TV Mount, priced at $32.24. It's particularly intriguing because it provides a fully adjustable experience, allowing for height adjustments between 21.14 to 29.02 inches. If you want something that maximizes floor space while ensuring that you get a great viewing angle, check this one out. It supports TVs within the same 26 to 65-inch range and has a weight capacity of 110 pounds, with VESA compatibility of 50x50 to 400x400. The 360-degree rotation and 15-degree tilt feature make it perfect for angled ceilings or areas where you need to angle your TV for optimal visibility. Some reviews mention that the installation could be cumbersome if you're not handy with tools. Here's the catch: once installed, it provides a sleek and professional look that hides all the wires, which is totally worth the extra effort. This is perfect for you if you want a clean setup that saves space in your living area. Skip this one if you're not comfortable with DIY installation. For what it offers, it's a steal. Now, if you're still after a budget-friendly option, the final product might just be the best fit for you. Product number 5, Suptec Ceiling Mount. Last but not least, we have the Suptec Ceiling TV Mount, priced at $29.66. What I love about this mount is its affordability coupled with solid quality, supporting TVs up to 65 inches and 100 pounds. If you're on a tight budget but still want a reliable ceiling mount, this one deserves your attention. With a height adjustment from 21.25 to 30.7 inches and a maximum tilt of 15 degrees, it gives you enough flexibility for various setups. Plus, it boasts a 360-degree swivel, making it easy to find the right angle for any room. The integrated cable management feature keeps things looking tidy and professional. However, a few customers mention that it doesn't come with a detailed installation guide. I hear you, but once you get it set up, it does a great job without breaking the bank. This is perfect for you if you want an economical yet functional ceiling mount. Skip this one if you need extensive height adjustments and more tilt options. For the price, you really can't go wrong. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the PERLESMITH ceiling mount because of its versatility and solid build quality, making it ideal for both home and commercial use. Avoid the AXE WABER if you're looking for maximum tilt capability for larger TVs. I've put all the links in the description below, check them out, and let me know in the comments which one you're going with. To wrap it up, we covered some great options. The PERLESMITH for versatility, Wally for stability, AXE WABER for adjustability, USX Star for space saving, and Suptec for budget-friendly functionality. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the PERLESMITH ceiling mount because of its versatility and solid build quality, making it ideal for both home and commercial use. I've put all the links in the description below, check them out, and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.